What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. For today's review we have a mesh Wi-Fi system called Amplify. And some of you may know that I've been using a mesh Wi-Fi system at home for a couple of months. And the thing is, after you start using one, it's kind of difficult to go without one because the internet at home is so much better. This one right here costs about $350 and realistically $350 to get better Wi-Fi at home, it's kind of expensive in my opinion. And unfortunately all mesh Wi-Fi systems are about the same price, so if you're looking for a mesh Wi-Fi system you're gonna spend about $300 no matter what you do. Leaving the price aside, well, this is probably one of the most beautiful mesh Wi-Fi systems, and everything starts with a box. The box looks awesome, everything inside the box is nicely packed and it just gives you a very premium feel whenever you're opening it. Inside you're gonna find the router, and this is the main part for the entire system. The router also has a small display that can show you important information, and we also have a light at the bottom that lights up and looks very cool. On the back we're gonna find some network ports. We also have a USB port and a USB-C port that's used for powering the device. Aside from that, we have two mesh points, and those don't need a power adapter because they plug in right into a power outlet. We also have the power adapter for the main unit and a cable. Setting this up takes 3 to 4 minutes. All you have to do is plug this in, download an app on your smartphone, and the app is called Amplify if I remember correctly, and you can find it in the Google Play Store or the iOS Store, and just follow the steps from the app. You will have to make a new Wi-Fi network, so this doesn't expand the existing Wi-Fi network that you have at home. So once that this is set up, you can probably disable your old Wi-Fi network. Once you're done setting up the main unit, you basically go around the house and you plug in those mesh points, and ideally you plug them in as far as possible from each other. After you plug them in, it's gonna take them about a minute and a half to connect to the router, and once they're connected you can open the app and the app will let you know if they're placed in the right spot. You can also choose from the app if they should make a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, and me personally I've set one for the 2.4 and the other one for the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Once the system is set up and running, you can also check and see if there are any updates, and for me I had updates for the router and the mesh points, and I'm imagining that you're gonna have the exact same updates when you first plug them in. Once everything is set up, you're gonna notice that your Wi-Fi connectivity is the same everywhere you go in the house. So if you're on the second level, if you're in the garage, if you're in the basement, the Wi-Fi connectivity is the same everywhere you go, and the speeds are also the same everywhere you go in the house, which is quite exciting. And that's why I said that after having a mesh Wi-Fi system, it's kind of difficult to go without one because you're just getting used to the internet going good no matter where you are in the house, and if you don't have it, well, you're definitely gonna miss it. From the app you can also make profiles for different people that are using the internet at home or at the office or wherever you have this system in place. So let's say for example that you have a kid and the kid has a tablet and a phone. You can make a profile for that kid, add a tablet and the phone under that profile, and then you can limit the internet access after 9 p.m. or anything like that whenever you think that that particular user shouldn't be online. Now, unlike other mesh Wi-Fi systems out there, this one doesn't offer a built-in antivirus or parental controls, and I guess for $350 I was kind of expecting to get that as well. And it's time to conclude this video. So first things first, I love the range and the Wi-Fi speeds from this mesh Wi-Fi system, but all the other mesh Wi-Fi systems do the exact same thing. Now this one looks the best out of all that I've seen, and I guess that's the main selling point for this one, the looks, because the other ones just look a bit boring. Now on the other hand, you're gonna have to spend about $350 so you can watch better Netflix in bed, and I guess it really depends from user to user if that's that important to you. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, press that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.